always start with Tim Hortons after every, or before every road trip. Yeah. Just a little bit of coffee today. We are on our way to where?
Nordeg.
Yeah, why?
Alberta. We're gonna go camping. Look at our stuff. Shit.
It's packed.
Oh shit, another car.
And our friends are waiting.
Yeah, for half an hour now.
It's like we're driving to nowhere.
Still no sun!
What? We stopped at Rocky Mountain House to get some snacks. Snacks. Right there. And we went for a washroom break. And he's perspiring there a little bit. But
Perspiring to aspire.
he finally got to pee, so that's a good thing. That's what we wanted.
It's been throbbing.
Hi! Ano mo yung YouTube mo. Sige, go, 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 go! Sige na, go, go, go! Go, go, go! Sige na! Subscribe! Sige na! Sige na, huwag ka mahiya. Huwag ka mahiya. Doon tayo! Hi, Chin!
Wala naman dinala yung boat.
Hi, JB. Uy! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Ayaw malaglag, Tay. Patay na.
Hi. Hi, Justin.
Yung alog, nakakatakot.
Nahihilo na ako, ayoko na.
I know.
Huwag kang matakot.
Sarap.
Nakakapit.
Yung dalawa nakaharap kasi. Natatakot ako. Ano si Bangge? Ma, malalaglag ako. Juming!
I'm safe. Nux, nice hair flip, huh? Whoa! After hours of searching for a campsite, we finally found one. Go!
How did you do this?
Maliit lang, kaya
Bars.
Okay. Wala bang instruction?
Ah, I guess you just put them together. Jep, alam mo mag-set up ng tent? Of course, bro. I don't, man.
Boy! Sa baba ka po. Alam nyo,
Kasi
mang-awkward ka. Awkward?
awkward ba?
That's how it's done.
Pag nahulog ka, edi wow. Say hi to my fans.
Hi fans. Hi Jamal's fans. From where, Sino?
Siyempre, all over the world. Oh. Alalalala!
Camera pala.
Yak! Diyan, wag ganyan. Mababawasan ako ng followers
No, mas
niyan.
marami ng followers.
Yak, wag.
Party boy.
Pa-live Facebook. JB, kamusta yung water? Malamig? Pero masarap. Lala. Your turn. Baywatch. Banana. Tama. Naiwan. Hashtag Baywatch. Je, alam ko na. Je, yung kayak ilagay mo dito sa harap mo. Yan.
Mga binubuhat daw. Hindi yan i-watch eh. Bali yan na-watch yan eh.
Uy, ang lakas doon nyo. Hello. Nagsasunbathing ka pa din.
Anong oras ka na to? Ay, Lops.
Justin, natikman mo na ba? Pasukan niyo to.
Tikim ka, tikim.
Okay.
Taste test.
Ako bro, hindi pa.
Last na yan. Kay Justin, last na.
Yes! Daming pagkain! Sausawan. Thanks, bye.
Bakit ba?
Chongga.
Kasi yung sa kanila, di ba maasin? Yeah. Sakto lang.
Okay lang ba yung ay? Di ba mo lang tinuruan din ng bad words?
Good morning.
Vlogger ka.
Good morning, baby.
Pangatlong araw. Nasty.
Wala eh. Wala kasi, wala kami
My arms and everything is closed.
And then,
Lang ha.
Ingat pa to eh. Ka pa eh.
sabay smile. Yeah. Ate, do your best mom impression of calling your kids. Uy. No, a Filipino mom doesn't do that.
Mga net. Puro kayo cellphone.
Slow mo.
May kulto dito. Uy, basura. Basura.
What's up? Hello.
Ano yun? Ulitin mo nga. Ulitin mo nga. Thank you.
Di ba may kapal kayo?
Anong trapal? Oh, tarp? Oh, yeah.
I know. So, pinanood ko nga.
Boom.
Relax na eh.
Boom, boom.
Eat it.
Ano yung pang scoop mo?
Pang poison po.
Oh my God.
Pang poison ng rat.
Kaya if she dies, at least nakakain siya ng avocado. Pakita ng kamay, pakita ng kamay. Oh, galing. Parang kagagaling mo lang Jumeb.
Ayaw na niya.
Ayaw na.
Wala po siyang pangpunas. Maputi po talaga ako kaya ako nagtatan.
Sabay.
Subscribe.